Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes up here in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. I am standing out in front of our newest project, which is going to be a net zero ready renovation. Demolition just underway. We've got our great hazardous waste removal partner here, Environmenta. They're on the top two floors doing our asbestos abatement, asbestos in the drywall and some asbestos tiles on the floor. They're well underway and should be done towards the end of next week. This is an exciting project for us. A lot of debate around whether to rebuild or renovate, and in the end the decision was made to renovate this, which is awesome for us because it keeps a lot of material out of the landfill. Although we'll remove the top two floors, we save all the bottom floor framing, and all the concrete, and likely saves us at least 2 to 3 months in our construction timelines. We are going to panelize the new structure in our panel shop here in Whistler, and we have an aggressive goal to get our client back inside his new house for Christmas of 2021. So stay tuned. If you want to get updates, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to follow along on this exciting net zero renovation.